Imagine, you bring in a drawing of furniture that doesn't even exist. Just a picture from your head, your fantasy, and they make it for you. We are actually right here at this amazing factory. Suede, handmade mosaic, all of this is made here specifically for your order. You might ask me, Vlad, what's the rush? I just really want to do a tactile test drive already. Let me tell you right off why we're here. I don't get too deep into production, but one thing I know for sure. The main problem with Chinese factories is finding one that actually does its own manufacturing, not just assembly. You know, where they bring in ready-made parts, screw a sofa together, and ship it out. You have to understand, the more in-house production a factory has, the lower the risks. They're responsible for every stage. If a problem comes up, they fix it themselves instead of running to third-party suppliers. And this factory is exactly like that. Fully in-house production, upholstered furniture, cabinet furniture, and they even have their own paint shop. Can you believe it? The only thing they buy from outside is natural stone, but that's normal. Everyone does that, believe me. We've been working with them for 7 years, and for 7 years they've proven this quality. And while we head over to see the first area, I'll hand it over to the founder of GLOBUS, Matvey.
While Vlad shows you the aesthetics and design in the showrooms, here in the office, we turn those ideas into reality. Turnkey project furnishing is a complex process that requires perfect precision. With over 15 years of experience, we've learned the main thing. In our business, there are no templates. That's why a team of 30 specialized experts works on every stage of your project. Providing a completely tailored approach, we handle all the routine work so you can just enjoy the process. Click the link below the video and submit a request for your project estimate.
And here's why I've come to respect this factory. The customization here is absolutely complete. If you need a rare model that, well, let's say nobody else has, they'll make it for you. Need something based on your own drawing that doesn't even exist in nature? They'll make that too. You just bring an image from your head and they bring it to life, turning it into the furniture of your dreams. It's magic. Let's start here. This sofa is modular. You can add sections or remove them, depending on your space. If the living room is small, you can scale it down. If it's large, you can add more. The upholstery is natural suede, not faux, it's actually real. Let me feel it again. My honest verdict? It's great in my opinion, for an office or a hotel lobby. For my home, I'd get something else. And now let's do what others don't. Let's look inside. What do we have here? Let's see. No, everything's clean. No seams are visible. There's not even any debris. Well, for me, this is, again, impractical. You're sitting there, eating some chips, some food, something falls down inside, and it all ends up in there. It looks cool and stylish, but not for a home. At least not mine. But you decide for yourself. Style-wise, it's like an industrial loft, but it's worth noting that it's not cold, but cozy thanks to its rounded shapes. A kind of Italian classic, but put together right here. Plus the Travertine table really adds to the whole vibe. A solid piece of stone, it looks absolutely flawless. Now this really caught my eye. You won't believe what this table is made of. The top is a horn mosaic. I mean, they take a horn, unscrew it, slice it, piece it together, finish it by hand, and you get a tabletop like this. I asked the manager how long this kind of handcraft takes. She said 40 days. I thought to myself, someone spent 40 days on this. And I thought, they sure did the right thing. I mean, it's just a wonder of the world. Look at it. We've come to the bedrooms, and I want to show you two beds that prove one thing. Chinese designers really know what they're doing. Look at this bed, at this headboard. To me, it kind of looks like wings protecting your sleep, like a bedroom fortress. The focus is all on the lines, nothing extra, no dangling bits. It looks incredibly organic and you feel completely safe and cozy. Our bedroom tour continues. This one is the complete opposite, much more modern. The massive headboard gives it this soft feel. And by the way, it's upholstered in fabric. Yeah, I think fabric is definitely the best most flattering look for it. You can actually feel it here, even find the seam. Nice. The craftsmanship is top-notch, not a single loose thread. And these sleek nightstands, look how narrow they are. They really complete the vibe. The picture wouldn't be complete without them. Let's check it out. By the way, this is also made of suede. Here, even the lining inside seems to be suede as well. They put it everywhere. The hardware is fine, everything works. The massive dining table is also made of travertine, but here I was actually more amazed not by the tabletop itself, the top part, but by the legs, which look like they have a really unusual shape. Honestly, I've never seen anything like them, and I get the impression that they don't look very reliable, kind of flimsy. And I want to see right now, in real time, how they're attached, their base. Oh, no, actually, they don't even budge. Everything is rock solid. Not at all. I think you could put 10 more tabletops on it and it would fully support it all. A tip. If you're buying a stone product, ask for a protective coating for transport. And it's best to do this in the summer because temperature drops can cause the stone to crack. Keep that in mind. And this is the trendiest, both in color and design. It's like harsh minimalism has been replaced by this soft kind. Oh, it really is soft. Nice. This area reminds me of a UFO because everything is so rounded. It's got this alien beauty. Here everything is right out of the textbook. Rounded shapes, not a single sharp corner. Your eyes really do get a bit of a rest and it has such a cozy atmosphere. Let's take a look at this pillow. Unzip it like I promised. What do we have here? Everything is clean, no smell, everything is neatly made, nice to lean on, to touch, to feel. It feels great to the touch. Nice, you can even put it under your head. And probably the main headliner of this space is this rounded countertop. To be honest, I didn't notice right away that it looks a bit like Jupiter, the planet. And I told you at the very beginning that this space feels like a UFO alien zone. So that's been confirmed. There's no accounting for taste, of course, but for me it's not very practical because when I was just walking back and forth, I already bumped into it twice because I didn't see it. It's transparent, glass, and for me it wouldn't be practical, but it might work for you. And a screen. Yes. The factory also makes this kind of cool decor. Look at how beautifully they applied the layer of lacquer. It's just flawless work. If you want to make yourself a veneer mosaic, please, whatever you want. No, actually, I'm doing this with my own voice. Everything works smoothly. This is worth stopping for all you veneer lovers. Some veneer just screams, I'm expensive, I've got money. Like in Bentley cars. Here, to me, it's a perfect happy medium. It looks beautiful, contrasting with the white and this brutal black. It creates a kind of happy medium symbiosis. No, but did you see this soft pillow? What even is this? It's softness itself. And this pillow is a work of art. I think it's totally self-sufficient. Just add straps and use it as a backpack. And I also peeked in here, trying to find some trace of glue, nails, or joints. Nope, found nothing, not even dust. You definitely can't miss this. The tabletop is made of natural marble. Do you see this thickness? Look at how thick this slab is. A sofa for a large living room in the style of that Italian classic again. Let's check how it feels to sit on, its softness. Oh, it's really soft. And it's springy too. Let's try it with the whole body. Well, what I like, it looks understated, it looks expensive, minimalist, tasteful, and cozy. I've tried the softness of this sofa, appreciated its look, but there are also pillows here. I'm not afraid to use this word, but they are the headliners of this sofa. Take a look. Just know that such pillows exist in the world. Here's the second one. Now, for something that will add a touch of flair to your interior, An accent table like this, I think would fit perfectly somewhere near the stairs in the hallway. You can set down drinks, have a chat with your friends, and here, for example, if you have less space, the manufacturer can make this tabletop from the same console narrower, just smaller, and it'll look more compact. Before I get to know a piece of furniture, it's not really important to me what it's made of. I have that first contact, whether I like it or I don't. In this regard, I'm an emotional person. And so I was walking past this amazing armchair and thought that I wanted to sit in it. I sat down, the seating is comfortable, it supports the back, I slouch a bit, and so for me this armchair is very relevant. I like it, it's so simple, like a dark horse among furniture, does its job perfectly and doesn't ruin the interior. This sideboard will definitely elevate any space. It's a statement piece on its own, playing with its shapes and colors. Right here we have a laser engraved finish, and I'm no expert, but this Travertine insert here really wows me. Let's check the doors and see how they work. There we go. It opens and it's all clean inside. Let's close it. Let's try this one too. There, the hardware is good and sturdy. By the way, it's very spacious. It'll hold a lot of stuff. Beautiful and practical. By the way, here's the sample room. The main reason to come here in person. Here it is. Everything your furniture is made of is here. Veneer options, lacquer, fabrics, stones, mosaics. When you come on a tour with us, you come here and choose everything with your own hands. But you go ahead and look, and I, as usual, will touch everything for you. Thanks for watching, guys. This is one of the factories we've been working with for 7 years now. Full cycle, their own paint shop, stone, suede, mosaic, and everything turnkey, tailored to your project. You know, this kind of thing, I'm sure you can't just show this in a catalog. You have to see it, touch it. That's why we bring clients here for a furniture tour. You come, walk around just like I am now, and choose. If you're not ready to fly, we'll show you everything online. We are GLOBUS. We assemble turnkey interiors straight from Foshan. See you in China. Bye-bye.